My name is GIDEON OKORIE. I'm a fashion tutor. I've been tutoring for the past 2 years, officially from 2023. What inspired me to start tutoring? I think it's a bit from where I was working in the fashion house in Port Harcourt. And then I started looking for a way where I could leverage the skill I do. I offer suit making skills, and I was looking for a way to get that skill across where I could render my services from 1 person to 1,000 persons per day. And so that bettered the online suit making class, right, in 2022. And then it officially became a brand 2023, and we rolled it from there. So it was an online class, and last year, 2025, it became an academy. The biggest struggle for there are several. As somebody starting from the scratch, one of the biggest challenges you have is, first of all, cash. You have low capital, and then you have low trust, right? So when I started saying, oh, you can learn how to make a suit when I started first, I said in 2 weeks, we'll teach you how to make a suit, even if you have never learned before. So the question itself, or rather that solution itself, there was a lot of skepticism around it. And so we had to perform repeatedly to convince our audience that this is something that is achievable. And then we have been doing it up until this point. Even now, there are still a lot of skeptics, but we still keep convincing them. So trust was a very big issue when we started, but we are eroding that because we have mountains of testimonials. You go to our pages, you just see testimonials and testimonials, and whatever doubt you have is cleared up. Then there is capital, right? Because as somebody starting from point zero, you don't have all the funds to work on your ideas. You have to manage funds and all of that. But I don't think capital was the biggest problem. And then there is lack of experience. Right, so I had problem with funds, I had lack of experience, and then I had no trust. Yes. At the moment, we offer just the fastest suit making training program in Nigeria. At the moment, it's the fastest in the country, verified on Google, and even the fastest in Africa. But we don't want to talk about that yet. But right now, it's the fastest training program in Nigeria. So we offer this service to fashion designers, business owners, brand owners who want to venture into suit making. And then we're able to show them the system, how they can build their suits under 9 days of class. And we see them doing amazing things. Yeah. A lot of the common mistake I see a lot of people make who are just stepping in the brand is a lot of people are too much in a hurry to start their brand, right? Too much in a hurry to start their brand. I have this common thing that if I have the right offer from the right platforms at this moment, I could stop whatever I'm doing now just to gain the experience. A lot of people are too forward. They want to build a brand, they want to be their own boss, they want to be a CEO. And honestly, you need a lot of time to build the experience that is needed to push your business forward. And if you have not gathered that experience, you have not learned it. It's not something you can just learn on an online platform. You have to be there, experience, see how the business is done, the behind the scene, what happens when there is a market rise, a market crash. All of those experiences you would learn from working with a brand. A lot of people skip that process. A lot of persons, they think that if I just get the technical skills correct, I'm very good at my job. It means, boom, I've made it. But that is very, very far from the point. I would have this common saying that you don't actually have to be the best to be recognized as the best, right? If you're able to market yourself well enough, loud enough, you have the proper branding, people will automatically believe that you are the best, regardless of how good you are. I'm not saying you shouldn't be good. Being good is very, very important, but it doesn't make up for your success story. Right, so a lot of persons, the mistake they make is that they think, oh, I just want to get the technical skills, and once I get that, I start my brand and boom, I'm going to be up there. So you need a lot of experience, a lot more than the technical skills, the business experience of running a fashion brand. You need that. And that's one big mistake a lot of startup designers make. as I see myself as a startup, as I consider myself a startup. So that's a lot of mistakes they make. If I would have an advice for somebody that is starting their brand today, I would say go get a job at a successful fashion, maybe an academy if that's what you want to run, or a fashion house if that's what you want to run. Go get a job with them and be the best performing staff they have. Get to know what it takes to run a successful brand and be a part of that success story. Once you have been a part of that success story, when you are independent, you can easily replicate the processes you have learned from being a part of somebody else's success. You can replicate that story and you will be able to learn faster because all the mistakes that were made in that where you worked, right? You will learn from the mistake, but you didn't lose money. If you're working on your own brand or you're building your own brand, those mistakes will cost you millions, right? But you could see why those things did not work, and you're able to replicate the success on your own brand when you build it. So we run the Fashion Academy, the GIDEON OKORIE Fashion Institute. At the moment, we are focused on providing the fastest suit training program in Nigeria, hopefully in Africa at large. We have trained over 5,700 tailors. In fact, as at now, over 6,000 tailors, both offline and online. We have this monthly training program where we invite designers from all over Lagos, all over Nigeria. They come down to our office here in Lagos. They come learn how to make their suit. Business owner, brand owners, in 9 days, they're able to learn how to make their suits. We're located here at 119 Old Ipaja Road, Lagos.